It is June the 6th this morning, and I am here in the Cabinet Mountains in northwest Montana. And this morning I am going to be summiting Engle Peak. It's only 4.5 miles to the summit, and there's about 3,300 feet of elevation gain. And the summit only sits at 7,500 feet. So the first mile and a half of this hike is basically just altitude gain through the trees. I've been hiking at like a 30-degree pitch for the past almost mile. There's my first look at Engle Peak. About a mile and a half. There should be about another 2.5 miles to that summit. I'm at 2.7 miles right now, and I am just about to leave the tree line heading into Boulder Fields. So I should have another mile and a half to the peak right up there. So it's kind of where the intense part kicks in. I'm finally coming out of the snow into some boulder fields, and I've got about half a mile to the summit. So the views are starting to pick up. It's just right back there. Engle Peak, and I am at 7,500 feet, and it took me about 3.5 hours to climb. And even though this is kind of a low altitude peak for Montana, this is some crazy view.